Hi children, welcome once again. Here question number 16 exercise 4.1 and pair of linear equation in two variables. Here place A and B are 100 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time at different speeds. If the cars travels in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of two cars is asking question. Is it clear then? So how to do? First of all, the two cars in 100 kilometers apart. First car at place A and second car at place B, between them 100 kilometers apart distance. So these two cars are different speeds, they are moving in the same direction and opposite direction, given like that. The same direction it taken time 5 hours, they will meet. After 5 hours they will meet. In the opposite direction after 1 hour they will meet. Given. But he is asking to find what are the speeds of two cars. Okay, now how to do? We need speeds. They are the variables. That's why let the speed of car actual a car A. Simply I am giving car A, that is equal to x kilometer per hour. Car A means you write as car which is in the place of A. Simply I am saying as car A in x kilometer per hour. And speed of car B, it is in the place, it taken a speed 5 kilometer per hour. Is it clear then? Right. Okay, I written the car speeds. Then first we are going to the same direction. They are moving in the same direction. They meet in 5 hours. That only I am going to write here. How what's it? When two cars travels in same direction, they will be meet in 5 hours. So in 5 hours, how much distance covered by car A? That I am going to find out, sir. The distance covered by car A is equal to how to find it? We have the formula for distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. We know this formula. So by the help of that formula, I am going to write that speed into time. Here speed is equal to car A speed is equal to x and time is equal to 5 hours. So that it is 5x kilometers. How much distance covered by car A? 5x kilometers. In the same way, the distance covered by car B is equal to same the speed of car B is equal to y. It's taken time 5. That is equal to 5y. Is it clear? Okay. Now check the figures, sir, once. How much distance covered by car A from here to here? This much of distance it's covered. This distance we treat it as 5x. Car B how much, sir? From here to here. Okay, this is 5y distance. Is it clear? Car B traveled 5y kilometers. Car A traveled 5x kilometer. This 5x distance distance of 5x minus 5y, we get 100. That's why I am going to write here 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. When I cancel x minus y is equal to 20, which is the first equation. Is it clear for all, sir? Right. And next, so next what happened again? They traveled in. When they traveled in same direction, not same direction, opposite direction, in towards each other, then they will meet in 1 hour. Is it okay? Right. In 1 hour, the car A, sir, the distance covered by car A car covered how much distance? Same. I have 1 hour taken time 1 hour. Its speed is x kilometer. So distance is equal to speed into time. That's why we get 1 into x. X into 1, we get 1x. 1x x kilometers is the travel time. In the same way, the distance covered by here, you write as covered by, distance covered by car A. In the same way, the distance covered by car B is equal to, here also y into 1, we get 1y. Is it clear now? So once you check here, car A travels x kilometers, car B travels y kilometers. Here they match. X plus y is equal to what, sir? 100. So that x plus y is equal to 100. This is the equation number 2. So now add first and second. So x plus your first equation is x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. So when I add it plus y minus y cancel, then 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to, sir, 2 1s are 260. X is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Like that we are going to find out y values, sir. X is equal to 60. Substitute either first equation or second equation. I am substituting second equation. At the place of x is 60 plus y is equal to 100. Then y is equal to 100 minus 60. We get 40 kilometer per hour. So that the speed of a car, which is in the place of A, is equal to what is the speed? 60 kilometer per hour. Next, the speed of a car which is in the place of B is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Have you understand? Check once. Okay. Right. Thank you.